Did you know that doing something as simple as sending an unsolicited, "I'm thinking about you" text to a woman can make her feel like the most cherished and valuable person in your life? It's true. Studies have even shown that reminiscing about happy experiences together can make a woman feel special and make the both of you feel closer. Want to know even more small tricks about how to make a girl feel special? As it turns out, it doesn't take much to make her feel cared for and cherished. Here's the 11 ways to make a girl feel special and loved. Stay tuned. Hi guys, it's Tom from Tom Wayne Media, and if this is your first time here, and you are ready to get into a relationship with a girl you like, or the girl of your dream, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell, so you won't miss anything. And real quick, if you have any special message on your own, that you use, put it down in the comments below, so we all can see it. Be physically and emotionally present. When together, don't look off in the distance, or daydreaming about Sunday night football. Face and look at her, with interest, when she starts talking, advises counselor, Carlene Andreessen. Send unsolicited texts. Unsolicited, meaning genuine and not asked for. A text that says, "I love you," or if you're not at that stage yet, "thinking of you," speaks volumes. Giving small, yet meaningful gifts. Get her something you noticed she liked without her mentioning it, says Metzger. She loves the smell of lavender, so bring home some lavender sprigs one day. Create new experiences together. Arranging classes to foster a passion of hers, a cooking course for example, shows that you know what's important to her and that you're supportive. Do some of her duties. Make her feel appreciated and do some of the housework that she may usually do. Ask what she likes. Since you can't read her mind, it's fine to ask her what would make her feel special, says relationship therapist, John Sullivan. The key is then to do 1 or 2 a day, whether you feel like it or not. Give her an unexpected embrace. Especially when she's tense. This brings your strength to the tension and allows her to relax from it, says Anderson. Or, just try to surprise her with a hug from behind. Ask for her opinion on decisions. Whether it's big or small, ask her what she thinks of your place, or what you should get for your mother for Christmas. When someone feels included in your life, and decisions, it can make a woman feel like she is a special part of your life. Tell her she's the best you've ever had. Women do not feel special if men bring up stories about other women in promiscuous situations from their past. Make her feel like she is the best you've ever had, and bring the sexual memories to life that you two created. Be romantic by planning special time together. Simple gestures like a romantic dinner with all of the trimmings, a dress to wear, flowers, etc., can make a woman feel like a princess. Compliment her in public. Do it when you're with friends, family, and business associates, says Detweiler. It makes her feel appreciated and special. Not to mention, shows you're proud to be with her. This 11 special message is going to take you far, but the most important thing is for you to go out there and start talking to women.